Hey everybody! Today we are going to be talking about how to find and choose a room on the touringplans.com website if you are staying in a Disney resort in Orlando, Florida.
And we mentioned that we were going to do this video in our online check-in video, which you can watch here.
The first thing you're going to want to do is go to touringplans.com website.
And then you'll see a little search bar at the top, and you just type in the name of the resort you're going to.
After that search goes in, you're going to see a whole bunch of ads at the top. You want to scroll down. You'll get into the touring plans actual links, and probably the top one is going to be for the hotel that you typed into your search.
Right. And then when you go to that page at the top somewhere, and sometimes it's a little link and sometimes it's a big box, it says use our exclusive room finder.
And so after you click that, you're going to go to the actual map of the resort itself, and there's going to be a whole bunch of filters there on the left hand side of the screen,
and just fill in those filters with what is important to you. And there's also one that you can click that says use touring plan pics, and so sometimes that helps narrow your search, but sometimes it narrows it too much and then nothing comes up. So if nothing comes up, go back and unclick that and try again. And
be sure to choose the type of room that you are paying for.
Because if you click one that say you're in a standard room and you click preferred and then you request a preferred, they're not gonna give you a preferred.
So after you click show matching rooms, where your rooms are located will be highlighted pink. So if you're in a resort that has multiple buildings, some will probably be pink and some will be white.
So at the top of that page, it will say 90 rooms that match your search, or it might say 0 rooms match your search. So you need to pay attention to that if nothing's highlighted.
Do something else.
Right.
Change your
filters. Go back and change your filters.
So click on a pink building, and then a map of that exact building is going to come up.
When that page pops up and you see the different rooms in pink, you click one of those pink rooms, and it will open up where there's a picture of what you can see out the window. Sometimes that picture is not from your actual room. There'll be a red bar across the top of your screen, and it'll say that this picture is from room such and such.
Sometimes that's close to the room that you're looking at, and sometimes it's actually not. So do pay attention to that, especially at Animal Kingdom Lodge, where you're looking for a Savannah look. Pay attention to where that picture is actually coming from. And this is mostly a problem with the deluxe ones, because they are relying on people to submit photos when you stay in a deluxe room. But on the moderates and the values, I believe you're going to find a picture with every single one. And at the bottom of that screen as well, you've got the picture at the top, and then down below you'll actually see the specs for that specific room. How many minutes from the transportation, how many minutes from the lobby, if there are any comments. Although you might have to be logged in to be able to see the comments. I'm not positive on that, but even a free basic account will get you the comments.
If you are a subscriber to Touring Plans, there's a little link there that says choose this room.
And if you click that, it'll actually fill that in for your fax if you've put in your reservation information into your dashboard, and then they will send a fax on your behalf 5 days before your trip.
So if you like this video and want more like it, give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.
And the little bell next to it so you're notified next time we post a video.
So she's Christina.
She's Dawn.
And we will see you next time.